How's it going? This is Dylan with Dylan Talks Tone, and today I'm kind of stoked because I got new stereo monitors. This is a Tone channel, and I have been putting this off. I don't know why, because I pull them out of the box and I set them up, and I'm just like, oh my goodness, what have I been missing out on? So one of the things, and probably one of the major complaints we get on this channel is, you're a Tone channel and your audio isn't amazing. And so we've focused a lot. In fact, you're probably getting tired of talking about microphones and audio and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm really trying to make my videos better. And as I was going through this stuff, I was realizing that I was using open back headphones to mix these videos, and I wasn't really hearing, and I would upload some stuff sometimes and be like, man, that sounded way better in my head than it sounded on YouTube. I was like, no, we're gonna take this serious. So here is what I got. I got the Generation 2 JBL 305 studio monitors, and these things are so cool. They're a 5-inch monitor, and I was literally thinking, you know, a 5-inch speaker, I was a little bit, is this going to be enough? Oh my gosh, is it fantastic? And the set that I got actually came with the active speaker starter kit. Let me show you. So here's the speaker. It's a 5-inch with 2 drivers. I believe they're like 45 watts by amp power. There's I don't know the 100% specs on it, but I know they're bi-amped, and I know that you can hook them up with just a TRS cable or an XLR, either way with the properly balanced stuff. It's really, really slick. And of course there's volumes and stuff on the back, but having this kit that we'll get to in a minute is killer. There's a couple of key features that I'm still kind of messing with to get my sound right in the room. And for those of you that have experience with this, chime in the comments, because as you can see in my setup here, I have to be kind of against the wall. I have a small room that I'm working in. And so the low cut and the high cut, you can adjust based on the room to get the flat response that you want out of the speakers, which I think is really cool. And I'm realizing that I had to use that on the low side a little bit because it was really boomy being against the wall like it is. And so I think it's a really cool feature. The other thing is that getting this starter kit with it means that I got the volume stuff, the volume control that uses it separately from the mixing board. So what we're using right now is the PreSonus AR12 digital mixing board, and then I have my MacBook that I run PreSonus Capture for some live stuff. I have PreSonus Studio One, and then when we edit videos, we use Final Cut. And so having all these things kind of put together really, really makes it awesome, because I can be able to hear everything way, way, way better now. I'm really stoked about this setup, and I just wanted to share it with you. We'll leave a link to it in the description below. It's not expensive. I got mine on a Black Friday sale, and these monitors were like 89 bucks a piece or something, which is really ridiculously cheap. It's not, I don't know that it's that cheap after Black Friday, but I'll leave a link for it anyway and show you the whole kit that I got. I think it's worth it because it came with the cables, it came with the volume control, and I really dig the whole setup. I'm going to continue to play with it because there's 2 main uses that we're going to use this for. One is video editing, obviously with Final Cut and with PreSonus Capture, which we use a lot, and PreSonus Studio One. And then the other thing is that we have our Kemper that we record direct with a lot for the videos. It just wasn't sounding the way I wanted it to sound. I couldn't hear it. It's not that it didn't sound the way I wanted it to sound, because I'd listen to it in my headphones and it would sound amazing, but I just think I wasn't able to hear everything the way I wanted to hear it and mix everything the way I wanted to mix it. And so having these is a super huge help. And you all might be saying, because you're like, you know, professional studio people, why didn't you do this before? Yeah, we could have told you that. But you have to understand that from a YouTube standpoint, it's a completely different thing. So when we're recording, when we're just producing videos and we're doing how-to stuff, a lot of this stuff isn't really needed. But to really take it to the next level and make it really, really good, it is. And so, and I know that. It's just been a journey. It's been 4 years of doing this, and we really want to really up our game. You'll see it over the next few months. The audio game is a lot better. We got another new microphone that I'm using right now so that we can have a lav. I'm using a lav right now, and I've not used one of those very much in the past. I found one that I really like. We'll do a separate video on that. And then the other thing is I'm really stoked to be able to have more stuff with our video. We got a new lens for the camera. We're just making a lot of improvements, but this is a huge one. We are a tone channel, and you're gonna find on this channel that we're not just gonna talk about guitar geekery. We're gonna spread it out. We're gonna make things a little bit wider. Because we want to pull people into this community. We do not want to exclude them. And I think a lot of times this community excludes people because they think that things need to be done a certain way. And I want to challenge that norm. I want to challenge that. I want to say, you know what? If you want to make music, I don't care if you use a laptop. I don't care if you record digitally. I don't care if you do something that nobody's ever done before, but it requires a computer and some sample pads or whatever. It doesn't matter. Making music is the thing. And I think we need to do that. And so you're gonna see our channel kind of change and up its game in a little bit different direction. We're still gonna do guitar tone stuff. I mean, obviously that's what we do, but I wanna widen it a little bit, and I wanna kind of suck some more people in to this community that we have. We wanna invite more people that way. And so I don't know if you've noticed this or not, but we've not done as many like overly nerdy things that make old guy guitar guys mad. Like, we're really trying to bring in more audience from other areas, and I think it's super fun. This is one of my first steps in really upping the game, and you're gonna see a few videos over the next few weeks of some other steps we've taken to really make our audio and our videos better, and I think you're gonna dig it. We have some new products coming out. We have partnered up with some other people to make some products to share more things, and I think you're really gonna dig it. My name is Dylan. This is Dylan Talks Tone. If you have any questions about this or anything else that we're doing, I just want to make this quick little video and say hi. I hope everybody had a great Black Friday weekend, found some awesome deals. Whatever you found, put it in the comments below. I'm curious because, you know, some of those deals go all the way on through the month of December, and maybe we want to buy one too. Anyway, my name is Dylan. This is Dylan Talks Tone. We'll talk to you soon.